Hello everyone, today we will discuss 8-point DIF FFT method. Find DFT of the sequence X of n using DIF FFT method. Okay, here DIF means inputs are in natural order and outputs are in bit reversal order. Okay, and next number of stages in this flow graph, totally 3 number of stages are there. And next, each stage consists of 4 butterflies. Each stage consists of 4 butterflies, and number of complex multiplications are here. Complex multiplications are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 complex multiplications are there, and complex additions are 24. And Twiddle factors, here Twiddle factors are totally w4 to the power of 0 to w4 to the power of 7. Okay, so see here, w8 to the power of 0 value is 1, w8 to the power of 1 value is 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. w8 to the power of 2 value is minus j. w8 to the power of 3 value is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2, and w8 to the power of 4 value is minus 1. w8 to the power of 5 value is minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. And next, w8 to the power of 6 value is plus j. Next, w8 to the power of j value is 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. These are the Twiddle factor values. Okay. Here the number of butterflies are taken in first stage. Butterflies are in 1, second stage butterflies are 2 butterflies are taken, and third stage 4 butterflies are taken. Okay, and exponent values are exponent terminals are taken in first stage 1, and second stage is here the exponent 1 2 exponent values, and third stage 4 exponent values are taken. How to find these exponent values is 2 to the power of m minus 1. Here m value is first stage 1, and second stage is 2, third stage is 3. So up to 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 is 2 to the power of 0, value is 1. 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, 2 to the power of 1, that is 2. 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, that is 2 square, that means 4. This is for stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. These are the number of butterflies and exponent values ni find out cheyadaniki manam ee formula ni use cheyali. Okay, 2 to the power of m minus 1. Here m values are 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, see here the inputs are in natural order: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So the values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these values are represented here, and then these are connected to this first terminal is connected to fifth terminal, and third terminal third line is value is connected to sixth line, and third line is connected to seventh line, and fourth line is connected to eighth line. Okay, like that. This first line is connected to fourth, second line is connected to fifth, third line is connected to sixth, and fourth line is connected to eighth. Okay, and next each base terminal is added with minus 1. Each base terminal is added with minus 1. Similarly, stage 2 also and stage 3 also. Okay, and next here the Twiddle factor is multiplied. in base terminals. Here W4, W8 to the power of 0, W8 to the power of 1, W8 to the power of 2, W8 to the power of 3. Okay. So, see here the x of 0 is connected to x of 4 na, and this line is connected to this in this direction. So, x of 0 plus x of 4, the value is 1 plus 4 is 5. Next, second butterfly. Okay, x of 1 plus x of 5, the value is 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, similarly, x of 5 plus x of 3, x of 5 plus x of 1 na, x of 1 value plus x of 5 value, totally 5. And next, x of 2 plus x of 6, value is 3 plus 2, 5. And next, x of 3 connected to x of 7, so x of 3 plus x of 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly, here base terminal is added to -1 and multiplied with W8 to the power of 0. Okay, so x of 0 to x of 4, the value is x of 0, here multiplied with -1 na, so that's why minus x of 4 into W8 to the power of 0. So, values are 1 minus 4, that equals to -3. Next, here x of 1 minus x of 5 into W8 to the power of 1. So, W8 to the power of 1 value is minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. So, that's why 1 by root 2 values are represented in 0.707. Okay. So, see here 2 minus 3, here the value is -1, minus 0.707 plus 0.707 j. And next, x of 2 plus minus x of 6, W8 to the power of 2. So, the value is 3 minus 2 into W8 to the power of 2 value is minus j. So, here the 1 into minus j, the value is minus j. And next, x of 3 minus x of 7. So, x of 3 value is 4 minus x of 7 value is 1, and W8 to the power of 3 value is 1 by minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2 value. Okay, here I am writing. See here, W8 to the power of 0 value is 1, W8 to the power of 1 is 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Okay, W8 to the power of 2 is minus j, and W8 to the power of 3 is minus 1 by root 2 minus j into 1 by root 2. This can be written it as minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, in this manner I am taken here. So, here 3 into minus 0.707 minus j 0.707, the value simplify cheste manaki 2.121 minus, here minus 2.121 minus j 2.121 value vastundi. Okay, these are the outputs of the first stage. In this first stage, outputs can be represented in a of 0, a of 1 to a up to a of 7. These first stage outputs are taken into second stage inputs. First stage outputs are taken in second stage inputs. Okay, in this second stage inputs, and here butterflies are connected. The first one is connected to second one, first one is connected to third one, and second one is connected to fourth one, and here third one is connected to first one, and fourth one is connected to first one. Okay, like that this also. So here the butterflies are flows in this direction. Okay, so the value is a of 0 plus a of 2, a of 0 plus a of 2, 5 plus 5 is 10. Next, a of 1 plus a of 3, value is 5 plus 5, 10. Next, here multiplied with minus 1 and W8 to the power of 0, here W8 to the power of 2. See here, a of 0 minus a of 2 into w8 to the power of 0. w8 to the power of 0 value is 1. Okay. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Similarly, here a of 1 minus, why? Because here multiplied with minus 1 na, that's why minus 1 into a of 3 minus a of 3 into w8 to the power of 2. Okay, into w8 to the power of 2. So finally the value is 5 minus 5 is 0 into 0, w8 to the power of 2. 0 into anything 0 na. Okay. Next, here also the value connected to here na. See here, this flows to this direction. So here a of 4 plus a of 6. The value is, a of 4 value is minus 0.707 plus j 0.707 j. Okay, and into here plus na, plus a of 6 value is minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. So దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి minus 2.828 minus j 1.414 value. Okay, and next this one. So here a of 5, this is the a of 5. Wait. Next, here a of 4 plus a of 6. Okay, so here multiplied with minus 1 na, a of 6 into minus 1 is minus a of 6. A of 4 minus a of 6 into a of 4 minus a of 6 into w8 to the power of 0. So a of 4 value is minus 3 and a of 6 value is minus j. Here minus into minus plus, minus 3 plus j. Okay, and next a of 5 minus a of 7 into w8 to the power of 2. A of 5 value is minus 0.707 plus 0.707 j minus a of 7 minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. Then that can be simplified. The value is 2.828 minus j 1.414. Okay, and these are the second stage outputs. In this second stage outputs can be represented into b of 0 to b of 1, b of 2, b of 3, b of 4, b of 5, b of 6, b of 7. These second stage outputs are taken into next stage inputs. Okay, see here the next stage is b of 10 is connected to b of 0 is connected to here b of 1. In this next b of 0 connected to b of 1, this direction to this direction, and here base terminal is multiplied with minus 1 with w8 to the power of 0. That can be simplified here. The b of 0 plus b of 1, that is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Next b of 0 minus b of 1, 10 minus 10 is 0. Next b of 2, b of this direction, b of 2 plus b of 3 value is 0. Why? Because here the input values are 0, and here b of 2 minus b of 3 here multiplied with minus 1 na, that's why minus here I am taken. Here the input values are 0, that's why output is 0. Next, see here this direction, b of 4 plus b of 5. B of 4 value is minus 3 minus j, and here minus 2.828 minus j 414 minus j 414. Simplify చేస్తే మనకు value finally the output is here output is 0.1725 plus j 0.1414. And next similarly b of 4 minus b of 5, the value is 0.1725 plus j 0.414. Next last butterfly connected to this direction. Here b of 6 plus b of 7. So b of 6 and b of 7 values are added. That can then simplify that. The value is 0.1723 minus j 0.414, and b here b of 6 minus b of 7. The values are b of 6 and b of 7 values are these, and simplify that can be, the value is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. These are the third stage outputs. The third stage outputs are represented in bit reversal order. The outputs are in x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. These are these 4 are the even terms and these 4 are the odd terms. Finally, the values are represented in x of k equals to 20, 0, 0, 0, 20, 0, 0, 0. Next, here minus 5.828 minus j 2.414, and next one value is 0.1725 plus j 0.414, next value is sixth value is 0.1723 minus j 0.414. Next last value is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. These are the outputs of the DIFT values after applying the DIF values. Okay. Next. Thank you, ma.